My name is Shams Sharif. I'm from Khorog, from Tajikistan. My position here is a teacher for English faculty. After obtaining my master's degree from Sussex University, I came back to Khorog and I started working for academic institutions. In Khorog, the first year will be the preparational course and I'll be teaching the English. We have a mixed ability students. Some of them spend a year in student exchange program and their English is adequate, but there are many students who just coming from state-run schools and their English is not up to the level, and that's why this prep course will help them to achieve that standard in order to be able to work and study in an English speaking environment, because most of the teachers and all the subject will be taught in English. In the future, the impact of this university will be enormous. Like, for example, in Khorog, there will be two faculties like economics and environmental studies, and these are the two areas where we need a lot of human capital. Teaching is my passion. I really like to work with students, and I think this is a great place to teach.